What is going on, guys? You've got a set of Bose noise canceling headphones with the slider type switch, and you can't get these things to turn off, or they turn themselves back on randomly. We're gonna walk through how to fix it. It's all in this power switch right here. First thing, we've just got to get the earpiece, the foam off that just snaps in, and we're gonna have to lift up this right side pad that covers down underneath. This is the side with the switch. It's kind of stuck in the middle, but I can see 2 screws up top and 2 screws up, just maybe 1 screw here on the bottom. Tiny Phillips head screws. We're going to get those out. With the 3 screws removed, this back cover will just lift off of here, exposing our switch. Now we can simply pull this top plastic piece off the switch, and what we need to try to do is get this top metal casing off of this switch. Just going to try to get a very small flat blade screwdriver and pry up on it. So my camera didn't turn on, and went to pop that switch out, thought it did, but you got to be careful. So you've got the little cover, you got the switch itself, and you've got this little bitty spring. Now that thing, when it came off, it came shooting across the room. Luckily I was able to find all my components. So those 2 little tracks down in the switch, it's kind of hard to see, but they're prongs, the back of the part we took out of the switch. We need to bend those down towards each other, because what happens is they start to flatten out over time, and they're supposed to make contact with those tracks. So as they flatten out, you get intermittent contact down onto those tracks. So once again, we're going to bend these towards each other. So to do that, I'm just going to get my screwdriver, just bend those up. Same thing on this side. Something like that. Now, one side of this part of the switch that we took out has a little hole in it. That's where your spring sets in. Sets right in the end, and we can put the whole thing back together. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but that little spring just shot out of there, and I got lucky a second time, was able to find it. If you lose this spring, it's not a huge deal. You can still put everything back together. Just on this switch, when you slide it all the way forward to the Bluetooth pairing mode, you'll have to manually pull it back, where the spring currently pushes it back to the neutral position. And there we've got our switch put back together. Springs back in there, switches back in there, our covers back on. Now, when you put that spring back in there, it faces forward. So you can always look at your cover here. It's got the little Bluetooth symbol. That's the side the spring should go on. Now we've got to put this thing back together. And there we go. Headphones are fixed. Switch is put back in. Works just like it should. Now these things are dead because they kept turning on. So I'm gonna go charge them so I can use them on my next flight. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.